Pimples are inflammation of the skin usually encountered by adolescents, but even adults can experience the same condition. On this week's What's Up Doc, let's find out how to avoid this frustrating skin problem.
Pimples can be seen as early as newly born and not only limited to adolescents. No doubt pimples more linked with acne, which is more seen in adolescent, but as I mentioned can be seen in newly born, which most of the time disappear spontaneously without any treatment. Now pimples, most of the time we do see it in areas that rich in oil secreting glands. This is why we do see it more on face, but that's not limited to the face. Can be seen also on chest, can be seen in back, especially with the hormonal change. Now, treatment of pimples depends on the presentation itself. If we see only blackheads and whiteheads, that fortunately can be controlled with topical creams. If we see more inflamed with pus containing, that sometimes we need to start on oral medications. And of course, for severe, what we call cystic scarring acne, here where we need to consider vitamin A derivative by mouth, and that needs to, of course, proper monitoring from the doctor. And lots of our patients ask why we get pimples. We tell them that's not only one cause or one factor. There are lots of factors, internal from inside the body and external. We're talking about internal. This is a bacterial infection. This is why some of the pimples can be even painful, has pus, as we mentioned, and also with the hormonal change. And one of the key factors is the activity of the oil secreting glands. This is why those who have pimples, they tend to have oily skin. Now, external factors also are multiple, and including the diet. Diet has been proven recently that dairy products and high sugary content also been linked to pimples. So this is why I would say to our patients, take it easy, minimize the sugar and content, because that definitely can help your acne or pimples. And other factors, stress, in female makeup, definitely thick makeup that can close the pores and induce more pimples. And that's also a message to lazy adolescents, where those are sleeping with their makeup. Don't do this bad habit, because that will clog the pores and induce more pimples. And also advising those who have the habit of picking or playing with their pimples, that eventually going to end up with scarring and pigmentation, to stop this habit. So as we can see here, that we do have lots of factors. Treatment of pimples can be as easy as only creams, or can be by systemic, by oral medication.